You've come here for a reason. Maybe you're a marketing professional looking to streamline your workflow, or a small business manager who wants a simple yet effective DIY design tool. Or you just saw this pop up in your suggested videos and thought, why not? Either way, we know you'll find a style that sparks your interest and your creativity within this top 10 best video templates for 2019 countdown. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Stomp Snap Opener by Red VFX. This template packs a punch and invigorates the senses. With 2 versions to choose from, you won't be left wanting. It's perfect for showcasing both natural and urban environments, with or without a human element. Fast animation coupled with large text and beautiful assets really brings this design to life and evokes a sense of wonder in the viewer. Number 9. Macrovision by Sonora Films. Create an air of suspense that will keep viewers enthralled as they watch this video sequence. It's the perfect template to introduce a short film or TV series, with room to add personalized pictures with each slide of the projector. This template is a powerful promotional tool that, when used correctly, will leave viewers intrigued with a need to find out more about the product or service featured. Number 8. Explainer Typography Kit by Aquavite. Communicate your innovative ideas with this light, bright, fun but still professional template. Sit back and relax as you watch your projects and propositions come to life as they burst onto the screen in pops of color and fonts that draw the eye. Perfect for entrepreneurs who have amazing ideas to sell and want that little touch of extra flair added to their promotional videos. It includes graphs and infographics to really allow the user to showcase their business's awesome stats. Number 7. Lightbulb Sign by Marco Belli. Lightbulb Sign is a dazzling piece of work that is ready to put your light bulb moments on a pedestal. This video template is a true showcase of the amazing standout styles that Envato Elements can offer its users. Allow yourself to find your happiness within the work that you create. Love your ability to easily design an amazing promotional video. Show the world your fabulous style with this remarkable design. Number 6. Summer Promo Pack by Sonora Films. A bright, peppy template, Summer Promo Pack brings to mind all things summer. Blue skies, sunny days, juicy fruits, and beach weather. Brighten anyone's day with a presentation using this video template. Use it to tell the story of your business in an upbeat way and invoke incitement within your viewers. They'll love the way your production makes them feel when you use this template to inform them about the services you can provide, your company's products, or anything else you need them to know. Number 5. Motivation Promo by Motion Media Group. Perfect for showcasing products, even better for showcasing people. This high-impact, high-energy template can assist in creating advertisements for sporting equipment, sporting personalities, personal training businesses, or anything else that involves your viewers being pumped up and ready to move. Do you feel motivated and ready to take on the world? You will after watching a video you've created using this stimulating template. Number 4. Wonderful Memories Photo Slideshow by Don V. Ladone. In complete contrast to the previous high-octane template, Wonderful Memories Photo Slideshow takes the viewer on an evoking emotional journey through the past, present, or even the future. The ability to add multiple layers of photographs that cascade down to land on a choice of 2 wooden tables is just one amazing feature of this template. Creativity of all kinds can easily be showcased. Photography, works of art, sculptures, jewelry, you name it, this template allows any creative mind to beautifully put their works on display. Number 3. Callouts by The Realist. Professional, sleek, informative. These are the words that come to mind when this template has been used to its full potential. Perfect for the business that wants to highlight their workflow, their achievements, and their performance. Callouts is our number 3 video for good reason. The streamlined transition between frames and scrolling, animated text boxes promote an air of professionalism that many businesses are striving to achieve. This is the perfect example of an amazing, innovative way to provide presentations to stakeholders or potential business partners. Number 2. Abstract 2 by Sonora Films. Sonora Films has been a top contributor to this list and is very worthy of the number 2 spot for this design. Provide your viewers with a production that is visionary, innovative, and most importantly, pleasing to the eye. Multiple elements of design have been combined to create this template, which can be used in an astonishing variety of ways, providing the perfect mix of quick, catchy animation with readable content. It's easy to see why this is one of our most used video templates of 2019. Number 1. Website Presentation Pack by Motion Media Group. Taking out the number 1 spot on our list of best video templates for 2019 is this stunning, cutting-edge, versatile creation by Motion Media Group. If you have a website to promote, there's no better way to do it than with this phenomenal design. You can showcase all the best bits of your site, with room still available for text to highlight the important functionalities. You get the best of both worlds, with eye-catching animated transitions to boot. We've come to the end of our list of the top 10 best video templates of 2019. Did you agree with our number 1 pick? Let us know in the comments below. You'll find a link to every video template mentioned in this video in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to the Envato channel for more content created specifically to inspire our viewers. So what are you waiting for? Check out Envato Elements and nurture your creativity to increase your business potential with amazing video presentations today.